Hello, everybody. Today I'll talk about the Syngonium pink illusion and its what it could turn into. Uh, this is the pink illusion, which is the whole leaf is pink, a very bright pink. I don't know if you can see it that clear in the camera or not. And then it could just turn into this form, which is the um, pink path, and the other one is this one, the pink flecked. The difference is, as the name suggests, for this one, it has some pink flecked part on the leaf, like, but this one is not. There's one that's the whole thing's still pink. This one, half of the leaf has turned into pink flecked. Now I have to wait for the this new leaf to unfurl. I would if like 70% of the whole plant uh, has turned into pink flecked, then I would call that plant the pink flecked. Uh, Now the difference between these two, or like I said, uh, it has turned from the leaf the whole leaf is pink. It puts some green out, and then there's a bunch of pink flecked left on the leaf, and this is the pink pass. As you can see the difference, this is the normal pink illusion leaf, and this one, the green is in, I would say, like stripe. The the pink the pink color is in the leaf vein, and the rest of the leaf has turned green. Now that's the difference between these two. um, in Thailand right now, the pink flag is has more value. People liked it more. Now these guys are the my internode that I propagate. I chopped it off to uh, pieces and then propagate them. I would here. Here's the part that I chopped, but not from this one. It's from the pink flag plant. This one is the Syngonium omnac red. I just want to show you the way I propagate. You could use peat moss and perlite, like in the ratio of 1 to 1. As you can see, the internode, and then there's a new shoot come up. So the pink illusion could turn into this one, this guy, pink flecked, and this guy, the pink pass. Okay, next time I'm gonna bring you guys to have a look at the other Syngonium that I have, which is this one. We're gonna talk about it later in the next video. And today, thank you for watching very much, and don't forget to press like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Thank you so much. My wife would appreciate if you subscribe and likes the video. Thanks.